here to demonstrate our project, that is smart irrigation system. We are 4 members. I am Aditi Nayak.
I am Veena Bharati.
I am Sharda Shetty.
I am Bhargavi Gudi. The demonstration of our project is called smart irrigation system. The atmosphere and those data will be collected by an Arduino. This Arduino is connected to a Wi-Fi module for internet connectivity. Moisture value, if it is less than the threshold value, the water is pumped into the fields, or if it is greater than the threshold value, the water will not be flown into the field. You can control the system by an application. You can switch it.
We can see the demonstration. And now the atmospheric temperature and moisture, here it is less than the threshold value, that is moisture value is greater. So the water, here we can see the motor is on and it automatically, the motor is automatically off. Here we can see the LED is off.
And this is the motor status that is stored on the cloud, that is ThingSpeak cloud. Here we can see that the moisture value is low and the motor is off. We can see the status here. Hello everyone, today we are here to demonstrate our project. It is called Smart Irrigation System. We are 4 members. I am Aditi Nayak.
I am Veena Bharati.
Sharda Shetty.
Bhargavi Gudi.
Our project is Smart Irrigation System based on the Internet of Things. First we will see what exactly the Internet of Things is. The network of physical object of things embedded with the electronic, software, sensors and also the network connectivity, which enable these objects to collect the data and also to exchange the data. And it is the IoT is also evolved from the convergence of the wireless technology and the Internet. Next is irrigation. It is the artificial application of water to the land and the soil. It can be used to assist in growing of the agricultural crops and the landscape.
So now we will see the system model, so how it works. So here we have two moisture sensor which are connected, and also the temperature sensor which sends the which takes the atmospheric temperature, and moisture sensor sends the moisture content from the soil, and these data will be sent to the Arduino. And through Arduino, these data is also sent to the ThingSpeak cloud, which will be stored there. And if temperature and the moisture sensor values are less than some threshold value, the motor gets automatically on. And if it's higher than the threshold value, the motor automatically gets off.
Usually irrigation is done just by pumping water into the fields. Will not check the moisture content of the soil. That will be a disadvantage for the plants, and even there will be lots of wastage of water. In our system, we use the moisture sensors and the temperature sensor, which sends the soil moisture content and the atmospheric temperature, and based on that value we will see whether we have to apply water to the plants or no. We will see the demo here. You can see these are the 2 moisture sensors and the temperature sensor for sensing the moisture content of the soil and the atmospheric temperature. The moisture and the temperature sensor collected data will be collected by the Arduino, and this will be stored on the ThingSpeak cloud. The Wi-Fi module is connected to the Arduino board so that it can be connected to the internet. Here you can see if the moisture content or the temperature is less than some threshold value, then the motor will get automatically switched on. If the moisture is more in the soil, the motor will automatically get switched off. There will be another part of the system, that is manually controlling the system from the remote area through the Android application. Here we can see the Android application. This is the login page just for the authentication, and if a user logs into this application, then he can view the data and he can control the data. If he clicks on the view data, then he will be showing the data that is stored on the ThingSpeak cloud, so that he can monitor that whether whenever this motor is on or motor is off, and if the motor was off that time and he want to supply more water to the field, then he can just go to the control system. Here he will be having 2 fields like IP address and a port number. Here he have to give the IP address of the Wi-Fi module and a port number as 80. When he clicks on the submit button, he will be switching on the motor remotely, and after some time again the automatic system will take the value of the moisture content and the temperature, and if the soil is wet, then automatically the system will get soft.
Hello everyone. So this is the project on smart irrigation system. The applications of this project is really huge. Nowadays there is a water crisis all around the globe because of greenhouse effect and all other things. So since we can store and use the water as and when we want, it will be supplied to the fields. So many of the fields will give less crop because of we have applied more water, and which is not required actually. So using this application we can save the water and save the earth. So there are more applications which can be done by this project, such as irrigation and watering of the plants in our houses as well. And this application will really be helpful in the near coming future.